Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually fix if your Android Google Play Store says your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. So if you want to fix that issue, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you simply want to make sure that your software is up to date on your phone. So open settings and you want to simply look for the option called software update or anything similar like that. You want to simply go ahead and look for the option called update. So go ahead and first of all, simply actually update your phone to the latest version. If you don't find the settings, what you could also do is in the search box, you could simply type in update. So even if you've actually updated your software and you are on the latest version of your software, you can see as I'm using the Android 12 version and you're still not being able to fix that issue, the next thing you want to do is to again simply open settings. Once we open settings here, you want to simply look for apps. So basically tap on the apps option. Once you tap on apps, here you want to simply look for the app called Google Play Store. So we're going to go ahead and tap on the Google Play Store button right over here. As we tap on Google Play Store, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right hand side of the screen and basically simply tap on uninstall updates. Once you tap on uninstall updates, it says to actually replace this app with the factory version and all of the data will be removed. Go ahead and simply actually uninstall the update. Now if that fixes the issue, that is perfectly fine. If not, this time we will simply go to the app called Google Play Services. So tap on Google Play Services. As you tap on Google Play Services, on the top right, tap on the three dots, and again over here we want to simply select and install updates. Once you do that, these are basically three ways to actually fix your device isn't compatible with this version of Android. And this also happens when that particular app is not actually available on your region. So it is not necessarily a device's fault. It could also be that that particular app is not actually compatible with your region. So that is why you're actually facing that error as well. We hope one of the solutions may have actually fixed your issue. If it did fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.